Hey everyone. Well, today we're going to clean up this dusty vintage fan that I've got here. I use this in my bedroom, and as you can see over the past few months, it has accumulated a lot of dust on its blades and cage. Yep, this is what running a fan will do to it. So I'll give you a moment to see all the dust on this thing, see just how crusty it is. We'll go ahead and get into the cleaning process on this here. So we're going to turn this fan around, get the front cage off here. And the way you do that is you remove the screws and the little clip that holds the cage to the strut. Show you all four of these here. Just get the screw out and the bright little clip off. Now there's a fourth one on the other side that you can't really see. I didn't bother to show you that. We'll pop the cage off here. And with the fan turned around, we'll use a bit of my favorite cleaning stuff. It's spray weight glass cleaner. Spray it on a paper towel here. We'll start wiping off the major accumulations of dust off of the edges of the blades here. And yeah, this is a pretty satisfying clean. This fan is dirty. Here goes the last blade. There's all the dust that we got off so far here. Wipe off the fronts of the blades. First we'll spray them down with a bit of spray weight though. That'll help really loosen up anything. Wipe it down with a fresh paper towel. That'll get everything nice and shiny and clean here. Get the back side of each blade. Wipe off the base a little bit here. Now we're going to get the cage. I'll show you the dust accumulations on this thing. Yeah, it's got quite a bit that built up there. That's pretty crusty. So we'll use one of our damp paper towels here and wipe all this off. Yep, you can see all that further accumulation of dust there. Get us a clean paper towel. Finish wiping the cage down here. Now we're wearing Costco gloves here just to keep fingerprints from getting onto this after we get it all nice and clean. No use going to all this trouble and putting fingerprints on it. Get all the dust out of this cage here. You can see that looks a lot better. Give the medallion a little wipe down. And then we're going to wipe down the motor here, but we don't want to destroy our little Neptune storage sticker here because this is part of the fan's history. So this is just going to get wiped down with a dry paper towel. Maybe a little bit of cleaner, but really you want to avoid getting that on decals and things like that on your fans if they have those. detail wipe everything down here. Back of the blade's all good and clean here. Make sure that's all good. And we'll get the cage on here. You got to be sure you put this on the way that it was on there before. You can usually do this through witness marks or through the bottom reverse bend at the 6 o'clock position of the cage. We're lining this up with its witness marks here. It's all in good there. Get it indexed over a little bit more. I think we're all good here. We'll put the cage back together. I'll show you the screw and clip arrangement here. You can see those. And we'll go ahead and start showing how these things go back onto the fan here. So we'll turn things around. I'll zoom in for you here so you can see the clip and screw go together here. Put the screw in by hand. Do our next screw and clip here by hand. Tighten everything down with a screwdriver. Just barely have to get it snug, really. Doesn't need to be overly tight. And here we have the finished product. You can see this old fan looks considerably better. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, because there will be more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.